Library Quick Guide on Searching for Electronic Articles. Searching for electronic articles. When searching for articles online, you need to be specific about the keywords that you use. It is useful to read through your assignment guidelines to see what the core ideas are and the terminology you need to research. When you're ready, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in your keyword or phrase. Then from the Everything drop-down menu on the top left, choose EDS and click Search. This will return a large number of search results as the catalogue is searching full records for the mention of all of your keywords. To open or read an article online, click on the article title and then click on the View Content button when the article record opens up. Each article website will be organised in a slightly different way, but they'll all allow you to read online, download or print up to one article per issue. To save time and find more specific results, you can adapt your search. So go back to the basic search results page. Click on the EDS Fields drop-down menu and choose Title. Then click Search again. This will reduce the number of search results as the catalogue is now only searching for articles with your keywords in the title. The sidebar on the right-hand side of the screen has extra headings and options to help you. You can set a date range to limit the results to a particular time frame. The subject heading is a useful shortcut to find other keywords and searches in relation to your topic. The publication heading shows the names of the journals the articles came from, and clicking on the publication name automatically brings up other relevant articles with your keywords from that journal. This also highlights what other journals would be relevant for your subject. In the search results, you can also click on Sort By to bring up the most recent articles published. This will help you find out who is writing about your topic at the moment. You can then use this author name to do a specific search for other articles they have written. In the Search Fields drop-down box, choose Author, then type their name in the search field and click Search. This will bring up a list of other articles they have written which will support your research. Be aware though, if the authors have a common surname, then you may need to use the advanced search options in the catalogue to find more of their work. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryros@gllm.ac.uk or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondriflo Lib.